I'm Sean!
And today we're having BBQ Mukbang!
Barbecue! Pinoy barbecue! Ayan. Oh.
Si Sean ang nagluto.
Yeah! Galing.
Yan. Garlic fried rice, pero brown rice siya. And then we have vinegar, syempre sausawan ito.
Syempre.
And then may tomato salsa.
Ensalada.
Yes. And then
Orange!
Yep.
Yes!
So today is special kasi meron tayong big time na online collaboration sa nag-iisang napakagwapings na Xanderlia family! Yan! Okay.
Watch this!
Unang subo po ay para sa inyo. Wow.
Ayan! Okay, so let's support their channel and support din us. That's food without pretensions. In our collab, of course, don't forget Xanderlia family! Yes! Okay, so let's eat! Yes, let's eat!
Nag-pray na po kami and then nag-wash na rin po kami ng hands.
Of course! So, kanina ko, habang niluto kanina, gusto ko nakainin kanina pa eh. Let's go!
Gusto ko lang special mention po ang aking suki from Farmers Market, Dana's Seafood Trading. Yan.
Ayan, madam. Suki kami dyan.
Yes,
Ang
thank you,
ganda ng
Miss
quality ng meat
Reg.
nyo.
You have made our life a lot easier during the pandemic until now. So now we do enjoy fresh produce, no, from Baguio and the north and everywhere else. Yan, ang gaganda po. Lahat to doon galing. Yan, and I don't need to step out of the house. Dineliver na lang po siya dito sa bahay. Sinabi ko lang kung ilang kilo ang gusto kong fish, ilang kilo gusto ko ng meat, anong vegetables, anong fruit ko gusto, or
Ang ganda ng
anything
quality,
under the
guys.
sun. Fresh na fresh.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-dictate, sabihin mo
And
lang. Ang ganda.
Malinis na yung fish pag dumating dito. Everything is so
Wala nang
fresh,
laman loob.
so clean, it's so safe.
Yes.
Order from her. So here's the
Dana's Seafood.
Seafood Trading.
Don't forget to subscribe to their channel, ang aming collab na si Xanderlia family. Sorry, nauna na yung kagat kanina kasi ayun. Pero that bite was for you guys. Ayan. Sarap! For those who are wondering kung anong recipe nitong ginawa ko, hindi na namin nagawa ng video, pero ang recipe niya ay, of course, pork, soy sauce, ketchup, and oil, tsaka matawag doon, brown sugar or cocoa sugar, mas masarap. And then, lastly, yung pang pahid-pahid nyo dyan, honey. Kaya ng honey. Para masarap. Lagyan natin ng ensalada. Masarap! Masarap!
Sort of like palate cleanser.
Uy, wow!
So, let's talk a little bit about Xanderlia family. So, na-derive yung name ng channel nila sa two kids ni Kuya Von. So, he is actually Kuya Von, the handsome daddy of Xanderlia family. Yun. At ang kanyang wife, as I see, Ma'am Shi Janela. Yan, boss ni Kuya Von yun. Tapos, syempre, nandun ang kanyang son na si Xander. And then, ang kanyang bunsong beautiful baby girl na si
Lia.
Actually, it's Natalia, something like that.
Natalia.
Or Natalia, something like that, yeah.
Ganda ng name.
Very beautiful name, very unique. Yun. So, it's actually a family vlog, pero they also do mukbang.
Yeah, they do lifestyle.
They do lifestyle and mukbang. Yun. So, I'm not sure if he did some modeling because I did see na meron siyang isang content na nagpo-photoshoot siya. Tapos, ito pa ha, special shout out kasi yung photographer niya is yung vlogger ng Jigs TV. Nakita ko dun sa vlog. Yan, photographer ka rin pala. So, shout out to you. Nauna ka na sa lahat. Anyhow, yun. So, don't forget to subscribe po to Xanderlia family! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Food without pretensions!
Ayan. Sarap bagay ang bagay ang ensalada sa barbecue. Of course. Sorry about that.
We were debating pa kung bibili ba kami o order ba kami. And I'm like, I told Sean, second, medyo mahal yung mga barbecue sa mall. Tapos at the same time, medyo malipis and I really don't want to get disappointed. Sabi ko, I prefer yung barbecue na medyo mas thick yung slice.
Tsaka alam mo yung lasa.
Parang feel ko. And alam mo talagang malinis kasi now it's, you know, it's homemade. Yeah, goodbye, my one and only sweetheart.
Of course, our eating show is not complete without trivia.
Parang mahirap yata yung trivia today, guys. Pag hindi ko nakasagot,
Comment lang sa
pasensya nyo na. But if alam mo ang answer, yeah, ano ka na lang,
Sagot
answer
ka
ka sa
dyan. Yeah.
live chat.
Yes, sayang naman ang live chat pag hindi sinalagyan ng sagot, di ba? Kaya kami live chat siya pa, chat natin. Sige. First question. Ding-ding! Ano ang capital na Egypt?
Cairo.
Cairo! Yay! Egypt, ganda. Gusto ko mabisita yung kanilang pyramids of Giza. Of course, that's a big part of history. Next question. Ito medyo hindi pa medyo controversial. Ano ang capital ng United States?
Maryland.
Maryland! Pero sinasabi ng iba, it's Washington, D.C. Pero Washington, D.C. is in Maryland, according kay Wikipedia. So yun, akala ko dati, Washington State. Yung pala, Washington State is different than Maryland State. Yan. Konting kaalaman lang sa atin, guys. Next question. Ito, maraming Pinoy.
Sumot yun.
At least insta-sausaw siya, di ba?
Insta-sausaw siya.
Ano ang capital ng United Arab Emirates?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi! O hindi Dubai ha. Dubai is a
Tourist spot.
Or another Emirates siya. Pero Abu Dhabi ang capital ng United Arab Emirates. Yung iba hindi sure, sinasabi nila, Abu Dubai? No. Maraming magagalit sa inyo. Okay. Next question.
Ilang floors meron ang Burj Khalifa?
Wow, mahirap yun. I'm sure you've been there kasi, di ba? Sila, 134?
Actually, hindi ko lang yung exact. But I do remember seeing 200 dun sa elevator, tawag yung buttons.
Okay.
And hindi siya masakit sa tenga pagka umakyat. It's like, zoom! Like 3 minutes or less. Nandun na. Alam mo kung ano mas masakit pa sa ulo? Yung dito sa Gramercy Residences sa Makati Ave, sa may Century City. Yun ang masakit talaga. Kasi hanggang ano yan?
Siyempre, change of pressure.
70th floor, tama ba? Basta mataas din siya. Ang sakit.
Change of atmospheric pressure kasi yun. Kaya yung effect niya sa tenga. By the way, I'm pairing it with red wine. Oh, may red wine ang lolo mo!
I'm not sure kung pwede na ako mag-wine. Nakisip lang ako last time sa isang Vikings episode namin. Flex ko lang pala, no? Meron kaming new playlist. It's called Travel and Burp. So check it out. Nandun na yung Dad's Buffet New Normal.
Yes!
Vikings Buffet New Normal. Nandun na rin po yung Galileo or Library of Wines. And then abangan nyo na, nandun na rin pala yung Sambuco Gin Buffet New Normal. Abangan nyo rin po ang New Vikings New Normal.
Yes! Ayan. Okay. Ito. Next question. Ano ang capital ng Germany?
No idea then.
Germany.
Not even slightest.
Yeah.
Please.
The capital of Germany is... It is the Berlin.
Ah, nga pala.
Berlin.
Oh, Berlin. Yes.
Sikat.
Magalit sa akin si Sir Lolo.
Berlin. Ayan. Meron point, just a little history lang. Ang Berlin, before, after the World War II, na-divide siya into two. West Germany and East Germany. East Berlin and West Berlin. Kaya nagkaroon ng Berlin Wall. Yes.
Sorry,
Kumbaga,
didn't know
one
that.
side is communistic and one side is democratic.
Must be the epidural.
No. According kay Wikipedia. Okay. Next question. Ano ang capital na, favorite nito ba? Malaysia.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur, or called KL. People call it KL doon. So siya lang, KL. Question.
Don't forget to subscribe to Xanderlia Family.
Xanderlia! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's Food Without Pretension. Yeah. May collab namin, huwag niyo kalimutan ha. Next question. What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
Bangkok! Yeah. Diba? Ganda doon. Ay, ang sarap ng food niya sa Bangkok. Bangkok. Maganda. Sarap. Grabe. Ang daming foods doon, no? Hindi natin naubos yung lahat ng kain. Grabe.
I mean, hindi natin na-try.
Namin na-try lahat. Yes.
Yung mga important lang. Like,
Anywhere you go, iba-iba. Parang, it's a haven for food. You go to one place, iba na naman yung food nila. You go to one place, iba na naman. Ang galing, grabe. Eto. Next question. Ano ang capital ng Australia?
Sydney.
Sydney! Sydney! Sydney!
Hello, Jingoy.
Oh,
Hope you're doing
Jingoy.
okay sa Australia.
Oh, okay ka dyan. Okay kayo dyan, sana. Eto, next question. Malapit lang din doon. What is the capital of New Zealand?
Ako, Ate Lynn, help me. Hindi ko alam. Ano ba?
Subo mo tayo.
May pa-suspension. To subscribe to Xanderlia Family.
Ubus na yung pagkain nyo. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington.
I was thinking Auckland.
Auckland is in Canada. Ah, sorry.
New Zealand din.
Sorry.
Pinapanood ko sa Metro Channel eh. Nagpunta si
Oo nga.
EIC on the move doon, but they call it Auckland.
Auckland.
Isang R nila, it's a rolled The R yun,
What is the capital of Italy?
Milan.
No.
No?
Yes. No. No. Not no. Yes. No. Diba?
Sino bang nasa Italy? Help naman. Si Mother Shingo ba yun? Si Red, ano?
Uy, hindi sanay kumagat. Capital ng Italy is Rome.
Ay, nga pala.
Sure. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to
Xanderlia Family.
Yan. Ulit-ulitin lang namin para hindi nyo malimutan. Oops, tumalsik yung suka.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, Food Without Pretensions.
What is the capital of Indonesia?
Oh, wait. Alam ko yan eh.
Oh yeah, alam.
Jakarta.
Jakarta. Actually, alam mo yan eh. Question. What is... What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Beijing. Beijing. Yes. Ayan. Ay, I think maraming Filipinos dyan sa Beijing. Hello. I hope you're doing well. Okay. Next question. What is the capital of Argentina? Oy, hindi corned beef ha.
Ako, hindi ko talaga alam. I'm so poor.
Oh, di ba napapanood mo siya sa sa
Buenos Aires?
Buenos Aires?
Thank you, somebody feed me.
Buenos Aires.
Panoorin niyo yun guys, kung may Netflix kayo, somebody feed Phil.
Nakakatuwa yun. Very
Nakakatuwa.
relaxing.
food and travel din yun na
Si Phil, very entertaining guy.
funny pa. Kasi comedian siya, and comedian, actor, and producer.
Yes.
Tapos ngayon, nagto-travel na siya. Sana magpunta na siya dito sa Philippines.
I think siguro. Eventually.
Sa mga upcoming seasons.
Next question. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to
Xanderlia
Family! Di ba? Mayroong video sa likod, di ba? Yay! Upgrading na kami! Upgrading! What is the capital of Greece? I'm not sure kung maraming Pinoy dyan, pero I think so. The capital of Greece is Athens. I think you've heard of it.
Yes.
Minsan kasi sa dulo na ng dila.
Yeah.
Ang hirap sabihin. Next question. So, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Masarap din ang food sa New Delhi, no, Indians. Sarap ng food nila. Maraming flavors, no? But it's not for everybody kasi majority ng food nila is quite spicy. Pero doon ko lang makakita ng iba-ibang colors, iba-ibang taste. Sabi nga na, it's a culinary dream. Diba? It's a culinary place. Ang dami kasing choices. Ito. Next question. Of course you know this. The capital of Japan is
Tokyo.
Tokyo! Diyos ko, alam natin tong lahat. Ano ang capital ng Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila. I want to go to Manila. Yay! Lahat nasagutan yan! Yay! So yan, we will end our trivia until here kasi mauubusan kami pag todo-todo pa ako.
It's now time for the magic question. Yeah. So, for the magic question. Before that pala, let me repeat lang the mechanics. Number 1, you should be subscribed to this channel. And then, number 2, the only way for you to give the correct answer or win is through answering to the live chat. Yeah. So, you should be here at the live chat or premiere at the moment. Yan.
Cash prize is 50 pesos.
No,
Muna.
we're upgrading it to 100 since during the first magic question, there was no winner.
Idagdag natin dito.
Okay? So, for the magic question, what is the English term for sago?
Sago.
Paunahan sumagot. The first one to come up with the correct answer through the live chat will be the lucky winner of GCash worth 100 pesos.
Pesos!
And this will be announced on the next mukbang video. Ano pa inintay? Sagot na! Type na! Once again, don't forget to subscribe sa aming collab tonight, Xanderlia Family! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, Food Without Pretension.
We're going to have dessert before we end this video. So,
Shoutout tayo after nito. Miss ko to. Actually, sabi nila medyo pricey yung mga produce sa farmers, but
not everything.
not everything. Sakto naman. Remember, sinishare ko sa'yo, we already had baby, di ba? Tapos mangyayari, nag-drive tayo. Wala pang pandemic nun. Nag-drive kami going to farmers, pero ako lang pumupunta sa actual farmers. Si
Hello.
Sean, tsaka yung baby.
Kami sa labas.
Nasa parking sila.
Not necessarily parking. Tumatambay kami dun sa, may malapit kasi na restaurant doon. doon na kami nakatambay.
Tapos magbabaon lang ako ng 1,000 pesos sa sa jeans pocket ko.
Dami na mabibili.
Dami ko na nabili.
Dami, grabe. Sulit talaga sa palengke ka bumibili. And we just want to remove yung yung stigma about the farmers market. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Ay, kukompare mo siya sa other markets, sa mga let's say malalayang lugar. Mas mura doon syempre. Pero of course, yung Cubao, si farmers, may konting pato. Pero it's still cheap than groceries.
Ako, after the fresh produce, saka parang to me, mas fresh yung produce nila compared to pag binili mo sa supermarket.
Mas mura siya. Yung 1,000 pesos mo goes a long way.
Saka mas sulit siya.
Siguro pag grocery mo, 1,000 pesos, 2 bags lang yung maliit. Pero pag doon, naku, na likod mo. Dami ka mabibili your 1,000 pesos. Okay, so we will end. Malinis na.
Nakapaglikpit na po kami. Nag-wash na rin po ng hands. Okay, I want to say thank you to our last collab, Kim Fox Vlog. Thank you po very much.
Very happy ang namin. Very exciting ang aming collab.
So that collab was very successful last time. Thank you po so much. More power to you. And then for the shout out, so shout out to Abichan. Shout out to Star ASMR. Shout out to Fernan Constantino.
Oh, sir, salamat sa support. Grabe.
Shout out to Hanimaze TV. Shout out to Lays Lafang.
Hi, ma'am.
Shout out to Quiz Mikoy. Yes. Shout out to Buhay JP. Shout out to Eat with Kathleen. Shout out to Reyna Nitongin. Shout out to Giants Fan Blog.
Bunso.
Shout out to It's Me Grajen. Shout out to Inyaki TV. Shout out to Angel Mendoza in Seoul.
Annyeong.
Shout out to Nancy Susan. Shout out to Kimberly Celebrados. Shout out to Jason Pasaylun. Shout out to Chef J Kitchen and Tours. Remy's TV Watkins. Shout out to Marty Atendido. Shout out to Joy Rica Eats. Shout out to Jazz Eats. Shout out to Jen Hen Capares.
Ma'am, sir.
Shout out to Max Belia ASMR. Shout out to LV Deluxe Vlogs. Shout out to Sheena Dancel. Shout out to Babaeng Maharut. Shout out to Norsuma Vlog.
Ma'am.
And last but not the least, shout out to Korean Oppa. Yeah, so guys, once again, don't forget to subscribe sa aming collab tonight, Xanderlia Family. And don't forget to subscribe sa aming channel na Food Without Pretensions. So, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!